came across a homeless man on Park Street. I went up to talk to him because a little bit of love goes a long way. And while I was talking to this man, two fellas working for the World Appeal offered him food and said to him that where we are right now, they're giving out food for the homeless. Now, as you can see, everybody, it's absolutely freezing. And these poor people, like, I've got a home to go back to. Everyone that's walking past here has got a home to go back to. But these poor people are sitting on these streets and no one's giving them their time, their love, their care.
World Appeal, our core objective is to provide sustainability. We initiated in 2011 and since then we've grown from strength to strength. We need your support. Locally we have been doing Mohammed's Kitchen, helping the homeless, the people who have been neglected. With its high rising costs at the moment, people are struggling. Mohammed's Kitchen has been at the forefront, serving those causes, helping the people that are going hungry from day to day.
As you can see, they have warm food here. Absolutely amazing warm food. They've got rice, lentils and chicken today. There's a lot of people struggling with their household bills, and as you know, food banks have never been so busier.
Internationally, we've been providing food to the people that are really hungry in Somalia, in different parts of Africa, and also we've been providing water wells and water pumps. We've done over 400 water pumps so far.
Women and children from these areas of the world, they have to travel many distances just to get water, and even on occasion they may not find it. Not having this water treated can lead to waterborne illnesses, which essentially can lead to fatalities.
Sometimes you have orphans who are being looked after their grandparents because their parents have passed away. Those grandparents are struggling themselves and they have no support. An educated society is a successful society, so if you can provide these skills for them, they will become successful in the future.
Hey everybody, it's me, neediest Deadpool. So today I'm here to support my good friends at World Appeal. These guys are amazing. I've helped them out a long time ago and I'm back to help them again and support what they're doing because they're doing such amazing work. All of the water stuff with the pumps that they're distributing out there into Africa and the curry kitchen they have on in Luton. These guys are the kindest, sweetest people in the world. We need to help them.
Look at this, yeah? This is what I'm saying, yeah? I've had many chicken and rice from many places, and the chicken, you can't really see it, but if you look there you can see the chicken in there. Look how big the chicken is. That is what you call a chicken and rice.
World Appeal opened its doors in 2011 to focus on helping the most needy and the most vulnerable around the world. Its core objective is to create a more sustainable world, and by sustainable we mean working towards a world that will help people towards skill training so that they're able to provide for themselves.
This will further encourage them to be able to support themselves, their families and the community as large, as well as future generations, changing their mindsets and becoming less resilient on handouts, focusing more on creating communities that are able to stand on their own feet as well as helping others.
With Mohammed's Kitchen, our aim and objectives are to serve hot meals to the poor and needy. We do not ask questions, we do not judge, we do not discriminate. Therefore, we're here to help local communities, regardless of their race, religion, colour, gender.
Only £150, but it's a life changer. Clean drinking water is a necessity these days and age.
Please join me in helping these guys and support this charity because they're amazing. What they want to do is they want to build from the ground up. And then we'll create places that are sustainable communities where people can work together to make things better.
From emergency aid through to water, food and education, we are at the forefront towards working and helping people globally in this fast-moving world. This is only possible with your generous donation, so please donate today and let's together help the most vulnerable and needy and make that big difference.
Thank you, and I love you, Luton. I love you, World Appeal.
Please help and support with this project, and we need your donations.
www.worldappeal.org.uk and donate today.
Together we are World Appeal.